In this video, I'm gonna introduce the YouTube keyword research tools Tubebuddy. First, let's search Tubebuddy on Google search. The first Tubebuddy affiliate program. Just this. Now, the page Tubebuddy. We can see your best friend on the road to YouTube success. And Tubebuddy is a very useful tools for YouTubers. And in last video, I have introduced how to find low competition keywords in my video with Tubebuddy. And in this page, we can see the pricing. Join thousands of certified YouTubers. Take your channel to the next level. And $7.20 1 month. You can see star 15.20 months. And this is the functions. Now I'll introduce you guys the affiliate marketing programs. Let's see here. And affiliate program. In this video, we'll see how to make money with Tubebuddy affiliate program. Just like we see, the YouTubers may like to use this Tubebuddy software, and if they choose this 15.21 months, one people, and we can make money to the YouTubers, and we do the affiliate program, get paid to tell people about Tubebuddy. This is the introduction of them. Now how we can promote the software. We can promote the Tubebuddy use Quora. Let's search Quora. Quora.com. And we can choose, for example, how to make money on YouTube. Let's see. Just how do I earn through YouTube? how do I make money from YouTube channel, and we can click here. Let's just see, and we can reply the question. We can see 238 views, and we can search how to find low competition keywords on YouTube. Let's see. What's the best way to do keyword research to help with site? Is it possible to get free YouTube subscribes? How can Tubebuddy help grow your YouTube channel? And we can click here. How can Tubebuddy help grow my Tube channel? And we can the replies. Now we can click here, answer, and answer questions. We can see how to find keywords on YouTube. How can I find the most popular keywords on YouTube? We can answer the questions here, and here, how can I find the keywords you rank for on YouTube? And we can leave my Tubebuddy affiliate program, and we can sign in with Google, and when we come here, we can see Tubebuddy affiliate center dashboard. Click here. We can see your affiliate link. This is my affiliate link, and we can promote this. Just for example, is there any way to find out how many search per month some keywords get on YouTube? We can click here, answer, or we can see how can I search keywords for YouTube. Let's click here, and a command. We can see we can answer it. Or add a comment. Tubebuddy is an useful YouTube keywords tools, and you may use and if you can use, just click here. Let's paste it and add a comment. And if we push our links here, we can see, click here. Just come here, and this is my you can see this is my affiliate link. And if people if they click my link, you can make money. And this is my message to promote Tubebuddy affiliate program, and we can make money with Tubebuddy affiliate programs. We also create some questions here and answer it by Quora. And this is today's video I want to introduce. Thanks for watching.